Hi, this is Cham again. So today, titignan natin kung anong pinagkaiba ng murang introduce, and that's from Lazada, and the other which is more expensive from the authorized dealer which costs 1,800 pesos. So, the reason why ginawan ko to ng review, kasi yung murang Intra, ang dami niyang good review dun sa Lazada. So, I'm wondering if parehas lang ba talaga? Mas sobrang mura lang siya? Or may pinagkaiba pa rin? So, based on my observation, yung size at saka yung label niya, medyo parehas naman, pero medyo malabo yung mas murang Intra. Tignan natin sa likod. So, may expiry date siya. However, tampered siya sa taas at saka sa baba. So, yung isa naman, may expiry date siya at saka may lot number. Hindi siya tampered. So, that's a big difference. Next, check natin yung liquid. Kung magkasing kulay ba siya, at saka kung magkasing amoy ba. So, medyo magkaiba ang kulay. Yung isa medyo malabnaw, yung isa mas dark.
This is color clear. This is dirty.
Let's try the taste. I think this is the same but they added water.
Really?
That's my conclusion. So, kaya pala effective pa rin yung sa Lazada kasi same pa rin siya, yun nga lang they added water. So, kung ako ang tatanungin nyo, alin ba talaga yung mas tipid? Yung mas mura ba or yung mas mahal na Intra? I believe yung mas mahal pa rin kasi yung mas mura, hindi naman kasi siya half price. Mas mataas pa rin siya sa half price. So, I think kung sanang 50% na lang yon, then it's fair. That's all. Thank you!